Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable installation from only Microsoft Store apps on your Windows 10 device. So if you want to permit apps from anywhere to be installed or perhaps only from the Microsoft Store, in today's tutorial I'm going to cover those options. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the apps tile. And then at the top where it says installing apps only from Microsoft Store helps protect your device, click the drop down. So if you select the Microsoft Store only, that's the only location you'll be able to install apps from. Conversely, the opposite end of the spectrum, you can select anywhere, so you can install any apps. And then in between, there's options that are closer to one or the other extreme here, basically. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.